Good morning, students. Today we are going to read about Chapter 3 Advanced Features of Word Processor Part 2. Part 1 already I have prepared and it is in my channel. You can see if you have not seen it. Okay. In this part we will cover 7 topics. First of all, setting tabs, indentation, find and replace features, working with shapes, working with smart art, and word art. Last, formatting a table. First of all, we'll start with a setting tab. Setting tab means tab or tab stop are used to control the alignment of a text within a document. What do you mean by alignment? Alignment means from where your word is starting and from up to where it was going on. For example, I have start typing from here. I can't type from this side. Okay, I only type from this side. When I type and like this much distance I can cover. After this, automatically it will change the line. So this is the alignment of this page. For example, this gray line indicates the alignment up to 1 point something is given, and here 16 is given. Means up to that part only I can take my alphabets. Okay, this is known as alignment. To adjust or to set the alignments, we use tabs or tab stop. Okay, tab stop is a direct space bar option, you can say. For example, for this much space I have to click one space bar. For example, if I have to take more than bigger space, I want a little bit bigger space, then I will click what? Tab. See, when I click on tab, it increases the size. Understood how to do that one? When I click on tab, tab will increase the space between the two words. Okay. Then tabs we have 5 types. First of all, left tab, center tab, right tab, decimal tab, and a bar tab. Here you can see that it was showing on the symbols. This L type symbol you can see now. This L type symbol is known as left tab. Let's see, it was written left tab. Then I click this one, it will become what? Center tab. It will become center tab drawing. You can see in your book also. When I again one click, then it will become right tab. Which one? Right tab. Name it will show. Wait, it was not showing. Okay, no problem. Right tab. Then our decimal tab is there. What? Decimal tab. Then bar tab. These are the 5 types of tabs we are using on a MS Word. Tab can be changed by this way, tab menu, or if you want to change the alignment of this one, you can, this horizontal bar you are seeing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, it was written here, scale like structure. When you click double click on this one, it will show you a option. This option, see, in this option you can change the top side distance, left side distance, gutter distance, bottom right side distance, and gutter position. You can change. This is known as what? Gutter. Okay, so you can change here from here what you want, the measurement. Like this, already some measurements are there, that's why I'm not changing, no problem. You can change it from here. Okay, when you click double click on this horizontal scale. Next we will read about, so this much for setting tabs, and next we will read about indentation. What is an indentation? Indentation means the space between the margin, the gap between the word and the page. From this point our page has started, right? So this much gap what we are writing, always we are writing from this side, this much position, this position we are writing, not, we can't write before this one. So this space between this is known as indentation. What? Indentation. Indentation refer to the what? See, here I have written definition. Indentation refer to the distance between text and the boundaries and pages margin. बाउंड्री और वो टेक्स्ट जो भी तुम लिख रहे हो उनके बीच का जो गैप है उसको हम बोलते हैं इंडेंटेशन. व्हाट? इंडेंटेशन. There are 3 types of indentation. First one, positive indentation. Second, negative, and third one, hanging. Positive means this one is a positive one. Means, for example, this cursor is there. You can see 1 2 orders, a gutter is there. One more gutter is there. This, if you are writing between these two, means you are a positive indentation. You are not overlapping the margin. In your classwork copy also margins are given, and you are told to write inside after the margin only, not before the margin. But some students are writing on before margin also. So that was a negative indentation. Means When you are overlapping the margin, आप जब margin से बाहर लिख रहे हैं कि margin के अंदर लिख रहे हैं, तो आप negative indentation कर रहे हैं. And hanging means, hanging, one example I can show you here. For example, I have started from here. We can write from here this side, right? We can write from this side. But when I write these numbers, what happened? See, one gutter is there and one more is here. Means this is a hanging one. Means we have to start from here, but now automatically it was started from this side. Means these alphabets are hanging. That's why this is known as, this is not under the positive also, not under the negative also. They are hanging. That's why it is known as a hanging indentation. How to change the indentation of a alphabet or a word? First of all, highlight the paragraph you want to indentate. Steps, okay? So you can write, first of all, highlight means select the paragraph which you want to indentate. First of all, like I have selected this one. Okay, I have selected. Seen? After that, go to the paragraph option. Here you can see the paragraph option. In paragraph option, right side one box is there. See this small box, paragraph setting, it was showing. When I click this one, a menu will appear. This same to same menu was given to your book also, page number 33. In same menu, it are asking to measurement as per your choice. You can do any measurement. Indentation it is there. Left how much you want. For example, left I want 2 centimeter. Right I want 1 centimeter. Like this. When I set this one numbers, just click OK. Your indentation got automatically changed. See, it's changed or not? Previously it was looking like this. Now it's look like this. Means indentation has changed. This way you can change an indentation of an document. Understood? After this we have a, now we will read about paragraph formatting. What? Paragraph formatting. The paragraph formatting features of an MS Word can be used to set the appearance of a text in a paragraph. Means in paragraph formatting we can do some different things. You can change the appearance of the text in a paragraph, how they look like, the gap between them, the gap between the lines, the gap between the paragraphs, like that we can do. Okay, for example, here they are asking to change a, first what we are learning about paragraph spacing. What? Paragraph spacing. In paragraph spacing, what is the meaning of the paragraph spacing? Paragraph spacing is the amount of a white space between two paragraphs. For example, this is one paragraph indentation, this is another. The white space between these two is known as paragraph spacing. What? This is known as a paragraph spacing. Space, दो पैराग्राफ के बीच के स्पेस को हम बोलते हैं पैराग्राफ स्पेसिंग. If you want to increase a paragraph spacing, how do you can increase one? For example, which paragraph you want to edit, just click anywhere in that paragraph. For example, this I have clicked it here. Okay, then go to the layout tab. Which one? Layout tab. Here I have a page layout tab. In page layout tab, you can see a spacing is written. Spacing, before or after. Before or after. When I click before is 42, it was written before, means जिस पैराग्राफ का मैंने सिलेक्ट किया उसके पहले कितना स्पेस होना चाहिए और उसके बाद में कितना स्पेस होना चाहिए. अगर मैं पहले वाले पे जाऊं और उसका डिस्टेंस अगर मैं कम करूं, सी द मैजिक. ओके, when I decrease the distance, the gap between the indentation and the refer to the distance between the text is decreases. One more time, when I decrease it, it will be deducted. When I increase it, it will be increasing. Okay, like this we can change the space between two paragraphs if you want to change it. So this is about paragraph spacing. And next we have a line spacing. What? Line spacing. Line space is the amount of a vertical space between line of a text. Now in line spacing, for example, in paragraph spacing, this whole paragraph was moving together. This whole paragraph is moving together. But in a line spacing, what we have? Line spacing, this distance between these two line only will be differ. Okay, when I want to means I want this two line little bit far away, I want more gap in between this one, so I can use a line spacing option. How to use the line spacing option? First of all, they are telling place the cursor within a paragraph or select the paragraph. In which paragraph you want to change the space between the line. मतलब जिस पैराग्राफ में आप लाइन चेंज स्पेस चेंज करना चाहते हो दो लाइनों के बीच में, उस पैराग्राफ को पहले सिलेक्ट कर लो. चलो सिलेक्ट कर लिया. Then next what? Click the home button. I have clicked the home button also. In home button, you can see the line spacing option. Paragraph group only, the line spacing option is there. See this one, line and paragraph spacing. What? Line and paragraph spacing. When I click on this one, some ready-made options are there. See, distance between the lines are increasing and decreasing when I getting this number 1, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0 like this if I increase the number. But if you don't want any of this, because they are ready made, ये पहले से ready है, तो आपको अगर चाहिए तो इनमें से कोई select कर सकते हो. But if you don't want any of this, you can write your own number by doing this option, line spacing option. When I click this one, here it shows the option how much space you want this one. Line spacing, okay, before and how much. For example, I want to like this is a paragraph spacing one. Line spacing 1.5 line, double, at least, exactly, single, like that, at 1.5, 1.2, 2.5, 2.2 and like this. And if you select, it will show you the space between the lines. See, now the space between the line has increases. Like this you can change the space between two lines or space between the whole paragraph lines. Understood how to change the line spacing? Next, what we read about is in your page number 35, find and replace feature. Find and replace feature. This what I have typed is little bit only, this much only, okay. But if you have typed so many pages, for example 20, 30, 60 pages like that, and you want to search a word, what search a word, मतलब आपको एक word ढूंढना है तो ढूंढना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा क्योंकि आप लोगों ने 30-60 पेजेस लिखा है, मींस प्रॉब्लम तो देगा. So for solving that problem, we had an option find and replace feature. Find and replace. How to do find and replace feature? First of all, to find a word, what we have to do? हमें एक word को ढूंढने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? पहला, in home button only, the ribbon, there is an option, editing group, there is an option giving find. What? See, find is given. By clicking this, a box will appear like this, navigation, find. Which word you want to find? You have to see. For example, I want to find refer. R-E-F-E-R-S, refers. See, it's shown me in yellow color that refer is there. This is the only one word, only one refer is used on the whole document. Okay, anything extra which are 2 or 3 like that, working. Okay, working we will write. Now we will write working. See, 2 working are on the yellow color. This symbols means you have what you are searching for, they will be indicated on yellow color. Okay, by this way you can search a word which you want to change also. For example, everyone have seen the 3-Date movie, right? In 3-Date movie, Amir Khan has changed like that only. Means first of all he has searched the word and he has changed that word. Means in the dialog box that appears, we type the word we want to find and then we'll find next. Like this you can find it. Okay. After this, if you want to change a word, what? If you want to change a word, and how can you change a word? Replace it. Means working I want. Okay, very good. You want working. I have searched it. Here workings are there, but I want to replace it. I don't want working here. So what I will do? I will go for a replace option. See, here replace option is given. When I click on the replace option, first of all, it will ask you to search the word. Find what? Working. Okay, I have to find working. Replace with doing or working, some other synonyms you can say working or doing. For example, I want to replace this working word with doing. Then replace all. Okay. Find, we have already find that one. Then replace all. When I replace this one, all done, we made 2 replacement. All done, we made 2 replacement. Means already 2 working are there and they want to change it. Then I can see they have changed my word. See, doing with shapes, doing with smart art. Again, if you want to change it, doing is not looking nice now. Okay, working. If I want to change it, you can change it here with doing. Find doing. Okay, find doing, then replace it with what? Working. Replace it with working. Then replace. If you want to replace only single word, you can only use replace. But if you want to replace all in your whole document where it is given, then replace all, you will click. All done. We made 2 replacement. Okay. Then after replacing, close it. Then once check it has replaced or not. Working with shape, working with smart art. See how easy it is to find and replace a word in a Word document. Next, what we have a working with shapes. In your page number 36, it is given working with space. Shapes, working with shapes. How we will work with shapes means MS Word has many ready-made shapes like stars, banner, layout, connectors, etc. They are called auto shapes. In MS Word, so many ready-made shapes are present. In these shapes are known as auto shapes. Means पहले से काफी सारे shapes MS Word में fit हैं जिस shapes को हम लोग बोलते हैं auto shapes. How to insert a shape in your document? For example, finding we have already over. Just close it. Close it. Now if you want to insert some shapes कुछ designs insert करना चाहते हो, stars, moon, like that, then you have to go for an insert tab first. See here, insert tab is there. In insert tab, illustration group is there. Step was given in your page number 36. In insert tab, illustration group is there. In illustration group, space option is there. When I click on this arrow, see so many shapes are given in the box. For example, I want a star. I click the star. Okay, I can draw a star from this part. See, now I can draw a star in my document also. If you want that one, if you want to make your document more attractive, you can use the star, moon, line, like that designs also you can use it. Understood? How to use the shapes button? Black color, normal white, which any color you want, blue, that's okay. Finish. Like this you can use your shapes button. Now we will next what we will read about is 36 page number only, working with smart art. What? Working with smart art. Smart art means what? Smart art graphic is a visual representation of your information that you can quickly and easily create. Choosing from among many different layouts effectively communicate your message or idea. The step to insert smart art are: how to use smart art. Smart art is a technique to show your ideas to the others people. For example, when a definition is given in your book, the particular word is written on a red color, green color, blue color, like that. Why? Because it want to take your attention. वो आपका ध्यान खींचना चाहता है कि हाँ ये एक important चीज है. तो वैसे ही smart art भी use किया जाता है. And how to insert a smart art on a document is, first of all click on the insert tab. Okay, we have click on insert tab, then choose the smart art option. Which one? Smart art option. See here it is smart art option. When I choose this one, smart art option, there are so many options came. You have to already see in your book, so many designs and option came. Add the text at the required place and also format the same using the design and format tab that appear as shown on the right. Same smart art graphic option or some here. First of all, which type of design you want. For example, I want to take this type of design. Okay, then okay, I have clicked okay. When I clicked okay, see here it came my design. After the margin, here I can write what I want to write. For example, I want to write here class 5, then computer, then next one class. By this way you can use different design to type your information and it will be more attractive to show to your teacher or something else. Okay, finish. See, it was now looking nice now. Class 5 computer class, like that. Like that you can use your smart art option to show your ideas or views in a decorative or a stylish way. After this, we will read about word art. What? Word art. Word art is a decorative text that you can add to enhance the appearance of the document, and it help you to give the document visual impact. Now same thing, for example, this margin I want to change it. Okay, but how to write a decorative words, stylish or decorative words? First of all, again insert tab. Here only word art option is given. Where is word art option? Insert tab, the ribbon, and click the word art drop down arrow. Click a style of word art, any type of word art you can see. Here word art is there. When I click on this one, different type of word art is there. See, different of styles. For example, this shadow style. When I click this one, it asks me to type something. Okay, let's type something. What I have to type? Again, class 5 only. Class 5. First of all, erase everything. You can type here. I want to erase this one also. Class 5 computer class. When I type this one, you can see, then I just move it. Okay, one place from one place means it will show you a designable writing so that your teacher or your sir can be see very easily. After this one, what we have in page number 38, formatting a table. Formatting a table. Formatting a table. What? Formatting a table. Formatting table means the change is done in a table. First of all, we'll read about applying table style. If you want to change the style of your table, this is a very uh, normal style, not that much stylish. If you want to change the appearance or style of this table, how do you will do that one? First of all, you have to go to the design tab. Which tab? Design tab. In design tab, table style option is there. In there, so many. This 1, 2, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. If you don't want any of this, you can select it from the others options also. Okay, others options are also there. You can select it from your, like this. For example, I have taken this because it was already viewing, it was saying to you other colors are not visible that much. Okay, after taking a style or after doing the style of your table, if you want to change the row height, then what to do? Row height means this height you want to change it, height more, height less, then what to do? For example, first of all, select the row which height you want to increase this. Already selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After going that, go to the layout tab. In layout tab, it was showing the height. When I click on table row height, increase, it start increasing. See, it's getting increased. See, right? Then decrease, then increase, then decrease. I can increase or decrease the row height as per my choice. Then what we have, column width. If you want to change the column width, and column is this line wise. Okay, so for this you have to select a column. What? Select a column. Like this you have selected one column, not the row. This horizontal line is row, vertical line is column. ऐसे लाइन को हम लोग रो बोलते हैं और सीधे सीधे लाइन को हम लोग कॉलम बोलते हैं. जब इसका विड्थ चेंज करना है, मतलब कॉलम का चौड़ा और कितना चौड़ा करना है बोलने से, सी when I increase the number, the widthness of the column got increases. When I decrease the number, it get decreases. See, like this we can increase or decrease the thickness of a column. By this way you can change it. Okay, after this, applying border and shading. What? Applying border and shading. How do we apply border or shading to a table? First of all, click the table. Okay, click the table, then go to the design tab. Okay, design tab, then border style option is there. What? Border group, border style and shading, two options are there. For example, border style, so many different type of styles are there. If I selected blue like this, okay, then I selected the blue color, or I will select the black for you better convenience. Okay, the border means what? This line will get changed after when I select it. Understood? When I change the border style, the border of the table will be get changed. Now black and silver is there, that's why it was not looking, but you can change it by this. Shading. Shading means which type of border color shading want in the that cell. For example, I want a blue color, that cell, particular that cell. If you want to changing in the whole table, you have to select the whole table. Then shading blue, the whole table become blue. Then which border what we have? For example, border we have dark blue. Okay, then just click on the border like this, it get it blue color. Painting, like painting we can do like this, 1, 2, 3, like this we can put the borders of our table. Design, you can change the border. Okay, understood how to change a border of a table? After changing the border and shading also, we have done the shading also. We have select a border and shading completed now. Okay, all are completed already. Which type of shading you want, which type of border you want. So student, this much for today and your chapter has finished. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.